Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to be trying out the Femi Beauty and Makartt collaboration kit. Here it is. Such beautiful packaging already. I really love the pink and blue butterflies, the white hearts, the gold lettering. All of it looks so pretty and definitely matches like her aesthetic. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up really quick. I'm sure you guys know what comes in a Makartt kit, so I'm just gonna go through it really quickly. Here it has a little message from her. You guys can pause to read that if you would like. So you get a thank you card and an instruction manual. Here's what it's looking like all together. Everything is laid out really pretty and I'm already seeing some things that I'm really excited for. So first we have base and top coat, 100/180 grit hand file, our polygel brush. By the way, I'm loving this shade of pink. It's like very hot pink. You get 4 polygels, which I will swatch in just a second. You get some charms. So we have some bow charms, some gold butterflies, some big gold heart decals. We have 2 chunky glitters. So this one is Shakaraya and this one is Unicorn. And of course, more goodies. We have a nail lamp, some dual forms, and some more chunky glitters. These are butterflies. I really like the shape of them. They're not like the normal butterflies that I have, so this is definitely something new for me. Really quick, I want to talk about these dual forms that come in the kit. I'm not using them, mostly because I did not open them before starting my set, and I didn't realize that these are not the standard dual forms that come in every single Makartt kit. I wish I would have knew, because I definitely could have done the Femi Beauty method. They give you XXL full cover tips, which is amazing. And on top of that, they also give you tip dual forms. So this doesn't have a cuticle area. It is just for like the tip and then maybe building things on top of that after. I wish I would have knew it, but I want to make sure that you guys know. I'm filming this when I'm already done my set, as you just saw a really quick sneak peek. But yeah, I wanted to mention that and throw that in here. Let's go ahead and get into the swatches and then into the design. All of the polygels do come sealed. First up, we have Kawaii Gang, which that is what she calls all of her subscribers, so fitting. It's a really pretty blue color. Next is Y2K Princess, so that's a hot pink with some shimmers in it. We have Glitter Fairy. Ooh, I love this. It's like a kind of like a nude color, and again, it has some shimmers in it. Next we have Yemisi. I'm not sure how to say that or if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm hoping the camera's picking up on the shimmers. It's very subtle in person, except for this one, the yellow, you can see it a little bit better. Makartt and Femi Beauty came out with an entire collection. This right here is the Makartt app, and as you can see, this polygel kit runs for about $70. That is all that I got, but there's also a gel polish kit, a nude kit, a glitter gel polish kit, and then there's also the bundle of the full collection, which comes with all of that. But like I said, I only got the kit, which runs for about $70, which of course you can use my coupon code VIXNailTips if you're looking to buy anything off Makartt, especially if you're trying to buy this kit. I wanted to do the Femi Beauty method for this set, but I want to do really long nails, and the full cover tips I have are not very long, so I'm just going to be doing the traditional method. There's already a couple of videos where people are doing the Femi Beauty method for this, so I'm going to switch it up for you guys. I'm using my Makartt XXL coffin tips, so I have my tips on and cut down to the length that I want. I'm using my gel polish peel off base coat method, so that is why I'm not prepping my nails in this video. I have my brush. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Whenever I have a brand new brush, I always coat it in alcohol and just press out any of the packing powder that kind of keeps it super stiff. So I'm starting with Glitter Fairy, and I'm going to be fully covering my pinky in this color. I'm going to use the 2-bead method. So I'm going to press this tip bead from side to side until it's fully fitted to the tip. Such a pretty shade of nude. It's so pretty. I'm not sure if you guys can see the shimmers, if my camera's picking it up, but it's very subtle. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for about 15 to 20 seconds just to kind of freeze in place the top layer. The next bead goes right where I want my apex to be. I'm going to thinly spread out the edges of this bead and bring it towards the cuticle and the side walls nice and thin so I don't get any lifting. And then drag the rest of the bead up, leaving some height in the center so I do have an apex, but also fading in this bead into the tip bead. Okay, just about done. Just cleaning up my cuticle area before I cure. Okay, here's what we have, curing this for a full 60 seconds. Okay, moving on to the next finger. I'm going to be using the blue Kawaii Gang. For the design, I'm going to be incorporating a lot of the designs and charms that were included in the kit. So I'm really just covering all of my nails with one color, which watching me do this part may be kind of boring. So I'm switching it up using a different method now, using my one bead method, where there is a long bead of polygel and you just kind of pull at the edges to bring it to the sidewalls of the nail, as well as the cuticle. And then you just smooth it out after. Such a pretty color. Okay, I've got the product all spread out, so now I'm just going to clean it up, smooth out any lumps and bumps. Next is this yellow color. I couldn't figure out how to say it earlier. I guess it's Yamisi. I'm gonna do the one bead method again just because it was a lot faster than the two bead method. But so far I've done 2 nails and I'm kind of getting a feel for the quality of this polygel. Makartt is truly my favorite brand of polygel. I just love the formula of their polygels so much, and the quality of these polygels are just as good. It's really easy to use. It has like a medium stiff consistency, which I like because I like for my polygel not to move from where I put it, but at the same time I don't have to press way too hard in order to get it to move. It's very spreadable and movable. I was kind of curious about how the consistency would be with these polygels because they have glitter. I wasn't sure if that was going to thin out the consistency or make it harder to work with, but I'm not having any issues with any of them. And now I'm going to be using Y2K Princess. I definitely feel like I'm channeling my inner Femi right now, and I love it. Whenever I review kits, I always try my best to use all of the colors, so that's what's happening right now. I'm just trying to get through them all. Here's what we have. So I just have all the polygel laid. I'm gonna go ahead and do my thumb off camera using the nude color Glitter Fairy. All the application is all done, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get some alcohol and clean off the sticky layer that's on the top so we can go ahead and start filing. My dust collector, an 80/80 grit hand file to reshape, and my Kiara Sky 5-in-1 smooth top barrel drill bit to clean up the surface of the nails and also get around the cuticle easy. So here's what we have so far. I think it looks pretty good for it being a really simple set with every finger having one color on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the design portion. I'm gonna be using a lot of the things that came in the kit. I had this butterfly design in my mind where I want to use definitely these really pretty gold butterflies, and then I think I also want to use these butterflies, maybe some of the charms. Alright, so I'm going to be using Makartt rhinestone glue as well as my Mia Secret glass finish top coat and this little brush that came with the rhinestone glue. I just realized I should be using the top coat that came in the kit. I'm going to use that for the rest of the nails. So I'm going to grab some of these dark blue butterflies and place them into the wet gel. I really love the shape of these butterflies. Very different from like the standard rounded wing butterflies that you normally get. So very happy about that. It's definitely slipping and sliding, so I went ahead and cure it really quick as soon as I got it how I liked it. And I'm going to do the same thing with the yellow. And while I'm doing this, you guys have kind of seen the process that I'm going to use to do the rest of the design. I'm going to talk about my actual feelings of this kit. I think this kit is gorgeous. Everything about it, from the packaging to the color choices to the nail art that was chosen. I'm really happy with the quality of the kit and the polygels and the colors and everything together. It definitely did a great job capturing Femi's aesthetic. As someone who's watched her and her channel has helped me kind of learn the things that I know, I'm super happy for her and the opportunity that she had with Makartt. It's so well deserved and the kit just speaks for itself. Polygel, of course, it's Makartt Polygel, so it's awesome. It's very easy to work with, very beginner friendly. It is kind of pricey. I do think that $70 is a lot for a kit, but you're getting the high quality polygel, you're getting the beautiful packaging, you're getting so much nail art. The kits that I've been reviewing lately, they have so much nail art, the type of nail art that I wish came in the kits I had when I was first starting. Okay, so the only thing I'm noticing that's kind of like a bummer is that the butterflies are kind of getting soaked up in the top coat, which is kind of upsetting because it's changing the color of them, and I feel like you're not really able to see the definition of the butterflies as much. That leads me to believe that it's made out of some type of like nail art paper, but no biggie, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna put a pretty decent sized glob of this nail art glue right in the center where I want that charm to be. When I think of Femi Beauty and the way she does her nails, I definitely think of charms and just big nail art. So I definitely want to take this as a chance to include this charm in my set. It's slipping and sliding, so again, I'm going to pop it in the lamp really fast before it slides out of place. That charm nail came out so cute. Big glob of the nail art glue because I'm going to be applying another charm just right at the top. The little bow. Oh, I love that. Okay, but it's also slipping and sliding, so into the lamp. So here's what we have as the finished look. It definitely needs some cuticle oil to revive these nails and these cuticles. I'm using my Cusio cuticle oil. So here they are. They're looking so cute. I think my favorite thing are the big charms. I don't usually get into big charms like this, but I'm definitely loving it. Definitely making me want to use them more in the future. I really love that I got to use all the colors, and I think the set came out pretty cute. Like I said, I really did like this kit. I would definitely recommend it to you guys if you are a Femi Beauty fan or love these colors or love all the nail art or all of the above. Again, I do have a coupon code with Makartt, so anything you're buying from there, you can use Vic's Nail Tips to get 15% off of your order. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!